makes me happy to fix cars and give them to the customers.
The latest assignment for the students in Ebosi's auto body repair program in Saratoga Springs was a passion project.
I definitely took more time than I anticipated because I wanted just to do the extra better job.
The 2015 Nissan Altima, buffed, painted, and shined by the 20 high school juniors and seniors, would be given to a local veteran upon completion of their work.
I was very happy to be a part of giving a car to someone who needs a car.
On Tuesday morning at the Saratoga Automobile Museum, the car and 2 others much like it were presented to Army veterans Josh Evans, Shane Thompson, and Anthony Gaston.
Oh, it's nice. It really is. It's blessing.
I'm still in shock. I'm really thankful and just in shock.
While this is the first time the BOCES students have participated, Caliber Collision and Geico have teamed up to donate 24 cars to local veterans over the past decade.
When we're helping people like this, it really makes you feel wonderful.
For many returning service members, finding and affording reliable transportation can be a challenge.
A lot of times they don't have the cars, or they're financially speaking, they need that assistance.
It's difficult, especially when you don't even know if you make it to the grocery store and if your car is going to make it back.
For the vets who received the cars,
You hear people say they care, but seeing something like this is unbelievable.
and the students who helped prepare them,
Oh, it felt great. I'm just happy that they are.
it was a day worth remembering.
I was really happy to know that my job made somebody else's life better.
In Saratoga Springs, Matt Hunter, Spectrum News.